How to make money in Sandbox. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can earn money in Sandbox. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now for those of you who don't know what Sandbox is a game made for Metaverse, and if you don't know what a Metaverse is, it's basically like a digital world where you can create anything you want. And it's basically like if you've seen the movie called Ready Player One, it's exactly like that. If you've seen the movie, you'll understand what it is. It's basically like a virtual world where you can do anything and pretty much whatever you want. So this is one of the games that supports Metaverse, and it's on Metaverse, and you can go ahead and play it right now, and you can do a lot of cool stuff with it. So since you're here and wondering if you want to earn money with it, well, it's very simple. There are a couple of ways that you can earn money, and they all require a certain level of skill and creativity. So let me just show you. The first one is you create different items and different games and different levels, different avatars, just overall different items for the game. So if I come over here on the marketplace on the left side, and over here you will see these are some of the NFTs, right? Like some of the avatars that you can see over here. Like these NFTs, they're basically avatars, and if you buy these avatars, you will have this avatar in the game, and since they're NFTs, they're non-fungible tokens, you won't find them anywhere else. That's why these are very expensive. As you can see over here, this one is worth $2,268. This one is worth $2,702, $202, $2,381, $567, and so on. As you can see, a lot of expensive stuff over here, and you can create whatever you want. So over here, this one is worth $79, I believe. Yeah, there are only 50 of it, and 33 have been sold. And over here, as you can see, we have 30 of these, 150 of these, 150 of these. You can create these types of avatars, and over here we have a bunch of different other ones as well, such as Atari. So these are the Atari ones. Over here we have the Smurfs. These are the categories over here. As you can see, they're sold out. And we have Alpha Gear over here on the left side. See how they look, and they're all sold out as well. So as you can see, they're pretty popular, and you can earn quite a lot of money by creating different items. And so you can create different levels as well. Now there are a bunch of levels that you can create as well, and you can create these levels if you come over here onto the left side and click on create. Here you will find the game maker, vox edit, and avatar. Over here, these are the three options that you can use to create different elements over here, such as the avatar. You can create your avatar over here. You can create your style, get socials, and all of that. You can create whatever you want, and then you can sell them online. Same thing with vox edit. Over here you can create your own vox models as well. Then you have your game maker. Over here you can create different levels. If you manage to create a very high and very cool level, then people will pay you for that. You can charge people, and people will definitely pay you to play in that level, and it's really cool. And as you can see over here, it's basically like Minecraft. It looks really similar to Minecraft, and it's really amazing. So this is one of the ways that you can earn money. Sandbox, I do have to say that you can earn money just by simply playing the game. No game does that. Even if some games did that, you will make so little money in like pennies that it wouldn't even matter. So keep that in mind. If you want to earn money through Sandbox, you're gonna have to get creative. You're gonna have to learn some skills, and then you're gonna apply those skills, and then you're gonna earn money. So this is one of the ways that you can earn money, by creating different levels, by creating different elements, and create avatars and stuff like that, which is very fun. The other way that you can create NFTs is by collecting things in the game. So if you manage to go into some levels that are really popular, you will find some different NFTs in there, some different elements, and that are really rare. And then if you find those, you can sell them online as well. So for example, I think over here, if you come over here, these are the NFTs. Okay, these are slots over here, such as variables or ART NFTs over here that are really rare. You can go ahead and sell them as well. And as you can see over here, this is Snoop Dogg's over here, and as you can see, Snoop Dogg also held a concert over here within the game, a virtual concert, and people actually paid money to go into that virtual concert. So as you can see, those types of things also earn you money, so keep that in mind. So two ways: create different elements, games or avatars or stuff like that. Number two, collect rare items within the game and then try to sell them on the market. And now we move on to the third one. The third one is very simple. So if you come over here onto the map over here, all right, it's gonna load up. So let it load up a little bit, and then we'll continue. All right, so here it is. Here is the level. It's still loading a little bit, but it took some time because it's a pretty heavy level. For some reason, my PC starts to lag whenever I come over here. I don't know why that is, but here it is. So as you can see over here, this is the map, and every year Sandbox releases a piece of its land. So at the beginning, when I first saw this land, it was just like this piece over here in the center, and then I think it started to expand over here from the sides, and over here this one I think was the latest piece that was released. So as you can see, these lands or pieces, they are up for sale as well. So whenever they're released, not so expensive price, you can pretty much get them really easily. But when they are released and they've been sold, what will happen then is people will actually buy them and then they will sell them over here. Now, why is that important? Why does that matter? Because when people sell them, of course they're going to earn money. But if you manage to buy a certain piece of land near these companies, as you can see over here, these big boxes that have like the company logo, like the Walking Dead, the Atari, like these companies, what they will do is they will hold certain concerts and certain events within these lands, and people go into that concert or event or whatever, and you can, if you manage to buy near them, you will have a higher and more premium piece of land. So if I click over here on this piece, as you can see, this is a more premium land and it's very, very expensive. So these green ones, they've already been sold, they're not for sale, and these blue ones, well, they are on hold, they are basically booked, they're pre-booked, you can't buy them. And these white ones you see over here, these are the ones that you can actually buy online. So if you click on these white ones, you can buy them on OpenSeas, but you have to sign in to enable that feature. So let me just sign in real quick. So to sign in, you actually need to have a MetaMask account. So over here, whenever you click on the sign in option, it'll take you over to the MetaMask extension, where you just simply have to choose the MetaMask extension and just simply click on sign in. So I'm already signed in, so I'm just simply going to choose the MetaMask option. It's going to send a notification over here. As you can see, boom, there we go. So now it's authorizing over here. I'm pretty sure I should be good to go. Let me just check that once more. Here we go. So now I just simply click on next and I click on connect, and boom, it's connecting. For that, I will be able to use Sandbox relies heavily on a cryptocurrency called Sand. So of course you're going to need a cryptocurrency wallet, and one of the best ones that supports Sandbox is MetaMask. So quickly, once you've signed in, as you can see, this piece of land, near this big giant Sandbox block, is worth 5.90 Ethereum. So if I click on here, on sale, it's for sale on OpenSeas, and it's worth around $15,000. So the initial price of a piece of land, so over here, as you can see, it consists of 166,464 plot of land, and they're available for purchase with a minimum of 3.2 Ethereum. That's because they've just been launched, and which is equivalent to $9,000. So as you can see, if you buy, so that is why you should quickly, jump into it when they are first released, because then you will have a chance to buy them for cheaper. But over here, as you can see, recently one was sold for $30,000, which is over 3 times the current floor price. So keep that in mind. And over here, this is a new piece of land that is going to be released, and these are some of the premium NFTs that are coming with it. So it's going to release in, I think, January 31st. I think it's already released. So Reset one that released the Mega City, so keep that in mind. So as you can see, it's worth $9,000 if you try to buy it right now. The cheapest one that you can find is going to be around that price. But if you manage to buy a land as soon as it's released, which is going to be really hard, you're going to have to do your own research for that. When is the next drop coming for pieces of land? If you manage to buy them, you can sell them for a double the price. So keep that in mind. So these were the couple of ways with which you can earn cryptocurrencies, MetaMask within Sandbox. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next time, and I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.